Okay, welcome to Wednesday and good old pictograms. So with today, again, feel free to watch the video up until 4 minutes 20. It's just a reminder of what pictograms are, how they're used, just before we go into our CGP book. So again, feel free to watch the video up to 4 minutes 20 and then come back to me for our activities in our CGP book and on the flip chart. Right, hope you've got your CGP book ready. We need page 76 today. Okay, we're focusing on good old pictograms. So pictograms use pictures to show numbers. Pictograms use pictures instead of blocks or bars. Okay, the pictogram shows, for example, in this example here, how many fish a penguin ate each day for 4 days. Now, the key, and I tell you, the key is key here because the key tells you what each picture means. Okay, so each circle stands for 2 fish. Sometimes the key might mean 1, sometimes it might mean 5. So knowing what that key is worth is really important. And again, like this box says here, sometimes a picture can stand for 4 objects. So if the block stands for 4 fish, then 1 block stands for 1 fish, 2 blocks stands for 2 fish, 3 blocks stands for 3 fish. It really does make sense as you continue to work through our booklet today and some of the other activities, but just knowing what that key stands for really does make that difference. Now, as we can see, oh gosh, the penguin wasn't a fan. Didn't eat too much on the Monday, that's for sure. There is 1 more circle for Wednesday than Tuesday. The penguin ate 2 more fish on Wednesday than Tuesday. You can see that information from the pictogram. Now, what's good is half the circle stands for 1 fish. Okay, so Thursday, the penguin ate 2 and plus 2 plus 1, so ate 5 fish. You can see how that example, the half stands for 1, which again, I do like to think the video would have shown and kind of helped to explain, which was really, really good to see. And to finish, to get the total number of the fish the penguin ate, add up the number of fish eaten each day. Monday 2, Tuesday 6, Wednesday 8, Thursday 5, and we've got good old 21. Did any of you think about, how we could do making it easier for us? We could get the 10 and then, do your counting on. If we know 5 plus 5 equals 10, so we're going to know 1 more is 11. So all the good things we know could be applied to that. We could just literally count it on. Or wherever you can find shortcuts, feel free to do so. Right, let's see your tasks have in store. Okay, so number 1, this pictogram shows the number of goals Ellie scored in 3 football matches. Okay, you need to work out how many goals did Ellie score in match 2? Match 2. In match 3, Ellie scored 3 goals. Can you add this to the pictogram? And what's important? The key. Knowing what the key stands for. It's going to help you work out your answers. Good stuff. Question 2. This pictogram shows the number of cars that drove past Luke's house each day for 3 days. And again, what do we see here? The block itself stands for 4 cars. Okay, so look carefully at the days. Look carefully at the pictures for how many cars have been seen. Okay, so how many cars drove past on Sunday? Pop it in the box. How many more cars drove past on Saturday than Friday? We need to know how much for Friday, need to know how much on Saturday, and work out how many more cars drove past on Saturday than Friday. Okay, alrighty, so there are your tasks for today in regards to the CGP book. Please do give them a go and then feel free to come back to the video for the answers.